Iya's parents divorced when she was only 11 years old back then, and she lived under the mother's roof and guidance. Because of early age, experiencing a broken family, Iya dreamed that when she reached age of legality, she can finally live her own life to the fullest. With his own decision and no family, Iya finally reached her age goal and started to disobey her parents and become a rebel daughter.
Saan ka galing nila? Ating gabi na! I don't care. I just hang out with my friends. Nakakausap kitang nonos. Sagutin mo na lang maayos. Wala ka na bang natitirang respeto sa akin, ha?
Why, ma? You're just my mother. Well, I don't know kung may magulang ba ako eh. Kasi mula sa school, hindi ko man lang naramdaman ang kalinga ng sarili kong magulang.
Ilang beses ko bang sasabihin sa'yo na?
Na ano? Na di na nag-work?
Magpakalong kami nilang tayo ng tatay mo! I'm sorry. Ayaw ko magaling ka ng galit sa tatay mo.
I think I become more selfish than I thought. Akala ko ako nang naapektuhan all the time, ma.
Hindi yun galing ko.
Ano nararamdaman mo? I'm sorry, ma.
No, I'm sorry, ha? Lahat ng pasakit ng sabi mo, ikaw ang sumalo. Mom, I'm sorry.
Alisin ko na yung magiging responsable na akong anak ko, ma. Pangako yan, ma.
Ayusin natin ito kasi wala tayong panibago, ha?
Simula noon ay nagbukas ng bagong pahina ng buhay ang mag-ina at ng puno ng maayos at puno ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa.
And that's the performance ko of Group 5 coach.
Thank you very much.